Today, I'm finally using my Alaskan sawmill. Yeah! For those who don't know, this is a chainsaw tool that lets you make your own wood. I got this a long time ago and I've been waiting to use it. Ooh, all hooked up. It works on any chainsaw and it's adjustable so you can pick the size of your wood. I'm gonna use this as a rail. A rail is what you use for the first cut to make everything level. Alright, turns out that log was